Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we go all the way to the Volta region. We bring you okra stew in its simplest form, what we call in the Volta region Fetri Toto. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. This recipe is what my auntie likes to call fast food because it's super fast and very easy to make. So in your saucepan, add some water and then you add your okro. Just cut the head and tail of the okro, wash it nicely and put it in the pot. You can also add 1 tomato or 2. Just wash it nicely, put it in your pot and cover it and allow it to boil. In your neatly washed earthenware, just add some habanero pepper with onion and salt. Here we use sea salt, okay? There's a secret ingredient that takes the taste of the food to the next level, and that's what we call in Ghana Momoni, or fermented fish. And my auntie likes to roast it a bit on a coal pot, but since we are cooking on gas, we decided to roast ours on the gas. Anyway, you can do it in the oven as well if you so wish. It's grinding time, so in our earthenware we have our pepper, onion with salt, and then we added garlic and ginger for some flavor, and we grinded everything together, and then we added our secret ingredient, which is momoni or fermented fish. We grinded it to make sure it mixed up with our pepper, and then we added our boiled tomatoes. We grinded everything together and it was roughly smooth, yeah. So as we are grinding, let me tell you how the name is derived. So in case you are not in Ghana, the people of the Volta region of Ghana speak Ebe as their local language. Some people in Togo also speak Ebe. Okro is pronounced Fetri in Ebe. So as you saw right now, we poured our Fetri or okro into our grinded pepper and tomatoes, okay? Now with this recipe, when you add the okro, you don't grind, you pound. And pound in Ebe is to. Even though mountain is also called to in Ebe. But this recipe is like pounded okro, so Fetri Toto. That's how the name is derived. Now we are adding our protein of choice. And once you add your protein, you can eat it like that. It's also really nice. We are using smoked mackerel here, or salmon as you call it. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? But today in the squad, we add jomi. What you all call zomi is jomi or palm oil. Palm oil, the correct palm oil is from the Volta region. This is why you need QSELNET palm oil, because it's correct Volta palm oil. It's so tasty and the aroma is superb. So we are using QSELNET palm oil. We added some onions and our secret ingredient, momoni or fermented fish, to infuse its flavor into the oil. Okay, so if you want QSELNET palm oil, just look in the description below. Their details is going to be there, and then contact them and order yours, okay? Now that we are done caramelizing our onion, the way I'm salivating, guys, I'm in a hurry to eat. So you add your caramelized onion and palm oil to your Fetri Toto and you mix it up, and just like that you are done. But as we are mixing, my ewokle jojo is on fire. If you don't know what ewokle jojo is, it means hot akple is on fire, okay? And that's all you need for this recipe, or some very hot soft banku. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. It's so amazing and delicious, very affordable and very easy to make as well, okay? So ewokle is ready and our Fetritoto too is ready. Now if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hey, if you're a Voltarian, I know it's been long since you had Fetritoto. I just reminded you that this recipe still exists, so go and do some. And if you are not Voltarian, I just taught you how to make okro soup fast and you won't subscribe. Hit that subscription button, it's totally free. And don't forget to like, comment below, let me know what you think about this recipe. I love hearing from you, so leave me a comment, okay? And you are invited. Just open your mouth and grab this. But if you know you can't swallow it, make some at home so that you enjoy, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.